Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Premium background play not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is make sure your YouTube application is up to date. So go to your Player App Store, search for YouTube and update the app. Then from there, go ahead and open up your YouTube, and as you can see, I'm on my premium account here. We need to click into our user profile. Then from here, we need to click onto the gear icon, the top right hand corner of the page. Now from here, we've got a couple of things we need to enable. So if I scroll down here, we need to go ahead and click onto background and downloads. Now it says playback. Make sure that is always turned on. Then from there, keep scrolling down and click onto playback. And then with playback, we need to enable this as well, autoplay next video. So make sure that is on. So if you want to autoplay your next video, but mainly we need to look for picture in picture. So we need to tapping the home button while watching continues playback in a miniature player on top of other apps. So we need to enable that. Then from there, basically we can go ahead and play your favorite show or a YouTube video, and we can just basically get out of YouTube. So I would say, for example, I want to play this one. I'm going to pause it so I don't get done for copyright. And basically I can close it like that, and then you can see this is still going to play in the background.